What's up everyone, welcome back to another awesome video. So in today's video, I'm going to do a quick analysis on GBPJPY, GJ. So starting from the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we can see a market that has been ranging for the past 4 months. And the past months just indicated maybe the bullish run is going to continue, because the past month closed with a pin bar, which is this. Considering the pin bar closure of last month, and it suggests that maybe the price will be aiming to go higher, at least to take out this high here. But let's move down to the weekly time frame to see the story there. So on the weekly time frame, we can see that the market has been ranging on this weekly time frame for the past 6 weeks, but last week candle successfully broke out of that range. So on this week candle is actually trying to retest this range before we will see a bullish continuation, at least to take out this high and also take out this high, maybe going higher to take out this high, which is the overall target. So that being said, let's move down to the daily time frame to see what the market is actually doing there. So on the daily time frame, you can see that the market has successfully made a push to the upside, and as it is retracing to the downside, you have to look for a zone or an area of interest. So to get that zone, I'll just change to line chart. So on the line chart, I can see a particular zone that has been tested so many times, which is this zone. If you check here, you see that the price made a touch here and moved to the downside, and it came back and retested on this, came back and retested on it on this place, then it came down and retested on it on this place. So that place is an area of interest that we're looking out for to continue the bullish move to the upside. So having seen that, I'll just change it back to the candlestick. So on the candlestick, you can see that it lines well with these demands on here, which is a rally-based rally. So this demands actually makes this place more considerate, like a more strong area of interest or point of interest, as the case may be. So as price is approaching to that angle, we have to look for another confirmation. So I'm going to use BBMA to do the analysis also, to know actually if we are in line with the trend. So on my BBMA on the trading view, maybe after the video I will show you how to get it. So I'm going to start afresh from the monthly time frame with the BBMA indicator. So you can see that these previous months broke out of the upper Bollinger Band and also breaking above the moving average 5 and 10. This past month, you can see that price successfully made a re-entry here, which is making a re-entry on the MA 5 and 10 low. So price successfully made a re-entry there, and it got rejected immediately. So having seen that on the monthly time frame, we'll just move down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, you can see that we've successfully seen a CSK buy, that's price breaking above the middle Bollinger Band and also breaking above the moving average 5 and 10 high. This is the candle that actually broke that high, that broke above it, and also closed above the middle Bollinger Band. So having seen that, you just know that the bullish run has successfully resumed, but you can't just enter like that. That's why I have to check on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can see that the price successfully went a momentum buy, that this candle breaking above the upper Bollinger Band and also breaking above the moving average 5 and 10 high. So having seen that, we'll see that the price is actually coming back for re-entry on the daily time frame, which is the re-entry is supposed to happen at the moving average 5 and 10 low, which is this zone. So you can see that the re-entry is actually in correspondence with the support line I drew. So having seen that, also go down to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, you can see that zone is actually in sync with a 50 EMA, which is this EMA, and also it's also in sync with the downwards Bollinger Band. I'm going to off the BBMA. So after offing the BBMA, another thing I can spot from the naked chart is that there is an imbalance, which is this, which is also in sync with that support line I drew on the daily time frame. So you can see that this particular zone is an area of interest for us to buy. And also, if we want to go further to check how strong that zone is, we have to draw our fig from down to up. You can see that it lines well with the 70% and 79% area, which makes it very, very strong area for a buy. So on GBPJPY, I'm just going to monitor this area as an area of interest for a buy, where this low should not be taken out. This is the low, and that will determine our stop loss. But we're not just going to enter based on this one. We have to go down to the smaller time frame to look for an entry, or to look for a confirmation, maybe a change of character or a candle confirmation based on your strategy. This is just an educational content which I want you to monitor and react based on what price has presented to you. So this is the area which I'm going to potentially buy from if I see a confirmation on the lower time frame. So that will be all for now. Please subscribe if you're yet to subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification so I'll be the first to be notified whenever I post a new video or another analysis. If you want to join my Telegram channel, the link will be in the description box below.